Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Figured I'd give you an update on the V10 to Cummins conversion. Might sound like I've got a little sarcasm, but I'll keep it under control. This is the wiring harness underneath the dash. I removed the whole dash out and then I pulled the harness out. Had some electrical issues. I figured I'm going to dig in and I'm going to find out where it is at. Once I got her all out and stuff like that, I found another remote start / alarm system. If you remember back, I removed one of these, but I found a second one. You know, I like to have extra lights and stuff if they're wired in. And I love my Dodges, but I would never butcher up my wiring harness to put one of these in. Not ever. I kind of look at it, if somebody's doing all this stuff right here, gotta have all these extra gadgets and everything, they must be working with a very small tool. Not impressed. If you follow this harness right here, this goes back to the remote. This yellow wire, it just taped into the blue one here. This harness right here goes up into the steering column. Somebody's been up here and made all kinds of repairs where the tilt's at. All kinds of them. There's nothing protected on them. There's bare wires and everything there. Really not impressed. This is the other harness up into the steering column, and you can see where this booger's been pinched. Go through all that trouble to have that apart. This thing was tucked so far up into the dash, the only way I found it is to have the whole thing apart. I found these wires here. They was also cut. I have to make repairs to them, the proper repairs. Get that all back together. Some of you older mechanics out there, you'll know what them are. Not OBD2 connectors. The rest of the harness looks beautiful. We'll get her all back together, do all the repairs and put her back together and get her up in there. Completely confident that everything will be perfect then. So you all have a great day. We'll see you around. And be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.